Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine. Happy rainy season. Our today's topic is how will be your July month. I know I am posting this video too late, but energy is fluid, so it can, the energy is fluid basically. So yeah, so how will be your July month? Okay, whenever you click this video is for you, but probably I'll have to name it as July because that's how you'll understand, I'll understand, but energy is different and it will not resonate with each and every one of you, the energy, the reading, the predictions, because these are general readings and it can't reach to each and every one of you, right? Okay. And if you want to get a personal reading with me, I'll mention my email ID in the description box, as well as you can contact me on Instagram as well. I'll share the link in the description box. And please suggest me if you want to do for if you want to suggest me some topics, on which topics you want me to do readings for. Okay, so today's topic is how will be your July month. So the here are three piles in front of you, hope you can see. This is pile 1, this is pile 2, this is pile 3. I'll show you. Okay, this is pile 1, hope you can see. Pile 1. This is pile 2, and this is pile 3. So take your time, do meditation. If you want to do, you can choose more than one cards, more than one option. Okay, more than one pile. I'll start with the pile 1. Okay, you can take your time, pause the video, meditate, go with your first instinct, gut feeling. Okay, we'll start with the pile 1. I'll just keep this piles aside, 2 and 3. So yeah, hello, welcome pile 1. If you have chosen this stone, okay, we will start your reading. How will be your July month? What are the current energies as well? Okay. So yeah, just give me a moment to sink in with your energies. 1 second. I think these are those who have chosen the pile 1 first object, first stone. You are confused. About something currently, or in past you were confused about something, but now you are very much sure that you know what you want to do. In past or in current energies, you were confused about what should you do for your material matter, money matter, love matter, or emotional matter, but now you know what you want to do. Because we have also got the clarity card, Ace of Swords. So now you have got the clarity. Something has happened recently to you, some kind of judgment or big event has happened to you recently. If it has not happened, then it will happen in, but I feel that in recent past or currently you are going through that. So what is coming up for you in July? So I feel like that somebody is going to offer you his or her love in July month. And I also feel that you will get your answers in the end of the July. You will get all your answers, whether it is about your money situation, whether it is about your career situation, whether it is about your love situation. I feel like this pile, you are closed off with your heart chakra, and you are like closed off with your crown chakra as well, because I am feeling heart chakra energy and color of crown chakra as well. You don't believe, you have stopped believing in love and heart matter, I feel that. So the message for you is that has come up for you, that turn on your love light. Sometimes the best way to remain sane is to love like crazy. Works for me, the universe. So universe is basically telling you that, love like crazy. It works for me. If it is not working for anyone else, but it works for me, the universe, God is telling you that. Sometimes the best way to remain sane is to love like crazy. So turn on your love light. You are not, on your heart chakra is closed off. That is why this message has come up. You should keep a rose quartz stone and amethyst stone with you. I feel that because your crown chakra and heart chakra is blocked, and you never used to listen and think with your heart, but now you have understood what is correct choice for you. So you going to talk to someone, and you will also receive the same amount of love and emotions with the from another person as well. And you will get a lot of clarity as well. In the end of July month, I am feeling that, like from ending of July month to starting of August, I am feeling that you will get love, clarity. And if you have faced any big event or some uh, financial loss, or some type of legal terms of situation you have faced, some type of big event you have faced, some type of problem you have faced, it will be resolved from July ending to upcoming month. Okay, another message for you is that I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. See, a lot of love messages are coming up for you. I think this pile is confused in love situation. I feel that you don't know which partner to choose, or you don't know this partner, whatever person is in your mind, is correct for you or not. But you are going to offer them a love cup of love, and they will also reciprocate with you. That's why what is coming up for you in July, that love is coming up for you, the correct right person, love is coming up for you, whether you go for them or they come up to you. But I feel that you'll go to them and they'll reciprocate, and they'll talk to you nicely and entertain you, and you'll get clarity of the legal system if you have faced recently a big event, some type of big event or karma, something like that you have faced recently. You'll get that type of clarity, and your heart chakra and crown chakra is blocked, so you can keep rose quartz, and you can do meditation on heart chakra and crown chakra. Okay, you can search it on Google and YouTube, and give importance to love. This is what the message for you, the universe is telling you clearly. Give importance to love. You can do positive affirmations, meditation also, which I always say to everyone. You can change your life through prayer, meditation, or positive affirmations. And also you can heal yourself, heal your chakras, and it will that way you'll make your life better. So universe is telling you the darkness you are feeling currently, you can change it to the light with the prayer. And you should thank universe. You should do positive affirmation that he is guiding you, universe, God is guiding you to perceive the fear which you have in your mind regarding love. So just think with your heart. Okay. Think with your heart. Now we will see the charms. What are the charms is telling for you? Let's see. Yoo-hoo! Let's see. Give me a moment. Okay, initials for you has come up H, N. Okay. See, I've told you. I think something big event has happened. I think your heart was broken, and recently your heart has been broken because of your confusion and your because you were not thinking with heart. That's why your heart has been broken. Big event has happened. See, lot of somebody is influencing you. I am feeling that you are very influenced by someone's someone's on video or someone's talks or something, or some, or like what to say, you are looking at some videos, or you are listening to someone's talks, you are influenced by that person. Fruit has come up for you. I don't know, something fruit has come up for you, and this is the half part of it. So your other half, your better half is the far away from you. I'm so sorry, I'm not laughing on you. I'm just laughing on the synchronicities, how sync it is going well. So like you have fought with your other half, your world or your love or your wife or whatever, something like that. I feel that you should give them some fruits and maintain some peace with them. I feel like that, okay? Because it was your mistake, I am feeling that, because you were confused about your materialistic things or a lot of other options you had. That's why you were confused. So, what is coming up for you in July? Clarity and uh, good and correct information is coming up for you. Correct information is coming up for you. And your whatever you are wishing for will be fulfilled, okay? Whatever you are hoping for will be fulfilled. I told you, work on your heart chakra. You can spend some time with flowers, greenery, okay? You might love to dress up as well, I feel that. Okay, so this is what I feel for you, pile 1. If you really liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and forward to others. Give thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much. I'll move it to the pile 2 now. Thank you so much. Pile 2, pile 2, pile 2, pile 2. Pile 2. Okay, those who have chosen this stone, pile 2, let's see what is coming up for you in July. What is coming up for you in July? You people are very emotional person, very passionate person. You can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are very emotional person. You are sometimes not able to share your emotions or express your emotions, but you are very intuitive, very emotional, very watery, fiery element combination I am feeling in your reading. Somebody is watching you, I am feeling that. Maybe your past lover, ex lover, something like that, I am feeling that is watching you. What is coming up for you? So basically, I'll tell you the final outcome, that my vibes speak louder than my words. So this card is very highlighted in this reading. So I feel whatever you are vibing in, you'll attract that. It means if you are thinking about, I have, for example, I have got the job, I have got the love of my life, you will get it. If you are feeling happy, joyful, you'll attract it. If you are feeling positive, you'll attract positive vibes, but you need to be in that positive vibrations, okay? My vibes speak louder than my words. Whatever positive you are at, in whatever vibration you are currently in, you'll attract that. Strongly I am feeling, if you are in positive vibration, you'll attract positivity. If you are feeling like, I'll get that job, I'll get that job, then you're going to get that job. I'll get money, then you'll get money. I'll get love, then you'll get love. Whatever you are thinking, vibing positively, that you're going to attract. If you are thinking negatively and negative talks, self talk, then you are going to attract negativity. Another message for you is that you are being watched by loving eyes. What if you are actually an ancient gladiator of love and joy, who agreed to visit Earth during these primitive years to speak some new thinking, share a few smiles, and help others they discover they too are awesome. Just saying, the universe. Please say, up for a joust, of course, with rubber thing, okay? Thinkings, okay? So basically, universe is saying that how you'll spread you'll spread positive vibes on earth, and you have come for that, positive, to give smile on other. I feel some of you are doctor, those who have chosen this pile too. Some of you are doctors, healers, yoga teachers, nurse, or works in hospital, or you can be a tarot reader, or you can be a spiritual person, astrologer, something like that, which you are working for others, you are doing things for humanity, in humanitarian way. Some of you, you are love cats as well, and you love animals as well. I'm seeing animal vibes as well. So for those who have chosen this pile too, this round stone, I think you guys are healers, you guys are very intuitive person. You can be a psychic medium as well, or channeler medium as well. I feel that you guys are I'm feeling suddenly channel message for you that you guys are doctor, healers, or intuitive person. At least nothing else than intuitive person you are, whoever watching this pile. Or either you are a doctor, or either you are some sort of healer, or a spiritual person, astrologer, tarot reader, like that, something like that. You are very intuitive and connected to animals. Some of you can be an animal doctor as well. Basically a doctor and healer sort of vibe I am getting. So you are on here on earth to spread positive vibes and smile on people's face. That is the message for you. Big message from the universe has come up for you. Spread love and joy, and you have agreed to visit the earth, before you incarnated, that you will spread smiles on a few of your people, or few of your whatever work you doing, for others. Yes. And you are being watched by universe and god and somebody else as well, with loving eyes. You have felt some type of loss in past, but don't worry. July upcoming month as well, and in July month as well, you will be like attracting positivity, because I feel that you are a lot of purple and blue combination also. I am feeling you are like good communicator as well, I feel that. And you are very vibing on a positive frequency and positive vibration. Though I have said that previously, that in this card is showing that whatever vibe you are in, you will attract that. If you are thinking positive, you will attract positivity. If you thinking negative, then you will attract negativity. But I am feeling that you are only thinking positive, and you are attracting positivity, because you are on positive vibrations. Because you guys are my doctors, healers, and supporters, astrologers, spiritual people, intuitive people, psychic medium, channeler message. Wow, wow, wow. I am feeling very much great. I think this is my pile. Yeah. Though I have not chosen any pile, but I think this is my pile. This stone is also my favorite stone. I don't know. I think this is cat eye. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I think this is cat eye. I also feel that you guys are, some of you guys love cats, or have cat, or very animal lover and animal friendly people. I am feeling Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have a fire and water combination. I am feeling very passionate. You are very emotional. You can help others, heal others. Through your communications, you can motivate others. Like, very good pile. I think this is me. But this is me as well. A lot of people are watching. A lot of people are watching this pile are doctors in my list. In my subscribers, as far as I know. But if you have chosen this pile, you can be like very vibing on a positive vibration, and you'll attract positivity, and you are a very positive person. Somebody is watching you with loving eyes. You love animals. You are always helping others, spreading smile. What is coming up for you in July? Whatever you wish for, and you are, because on positive vibration, so everything positive is going to come up for you, because we have received the victory card as well. So everything positive is going to come up for you in July month and in upcoming months as well. Because you are an intuitive and emotional person, God is giving you what you deserve. Now let's see the charms for you. you. Lot of charms are coming up for you, huh? I am feeling, and while I was shuffling, the extra cards also were popping out in your reading. I think you have lost some type of money. You have faced loss of money. You are the people who listen to your intuition. See, we have received the earphones plug or ear plug. I don't know what earphones plug, ear plug. So I think you are the type of person who listen to your intuition. See, I've told you have a lot of emotions for others. You are a very emotional person. Oh my god, some type of celebration is going to come up for you. Yeah, I've told you positive things are coming up for you. I think you will also attract creativity and positivity this July month and upcoming months. I feel that. I know I'm doing reading for July month, but please, when I say upcoming months, what it means, energy can be fluid. Okay, so for some of you, this can be upcoming few months as well. So yeah, you are very creative person as well. If you are not a doctor healer, then even if you are doctor healer, then again we also or a spiritual person, then can be also a very creative person. And otherwise also, if you are not doctor, tarot reader, spiritual person, otherwise also you are very creative person. Oh, we have received T, initial T. Okay. Just a sec, give me a second. Please do meditation, do more and more meditation. I know you have felt some type of loss of money and emotions, but you will get it. See, laughing Buddha charm we have received. If you can see, very small, I don't know if you can see or not. So you will get, if you have faced loss of money, you'll be getting it in the month of July, or at the end of the month of July, and you or August starting month or upcoming months, you going to get money. You have lost some type of money, you going to get money, you going to get love of your life. If you want to get married, you can get married. There are chances of that. If not in July month, then upcoming months, of course. So maybe some of you can get married in July month. Okay, so or at least engaged. Okay, in July month. Oh, yes, celebration is coming up for you. Because I am saying that, because that why marriage or some type of engagement or marriage celebration can come up for you. Just do meditation. I know you are listening to your intuition. Don't stop doing that and just do meditation, because you are a very good hearted people. Lot of love you have for others. You want to give smile on someone's face. You are a very creative person. If you have lost some kind of lover or money situation, both will be coming up for you. Don't worry. You are dealing with either a Taurus sign or a trustworthy person, so you don't need to worry. You are attracting positive vibrations and positive energies and positive things and people in your life, because you yourself is very much positive and vibing on positive vibration. Wow, such a good. I know in recent past you have faced some shock, but don't worry, everything is coming up together for you. I am feeling good. Bye, pile 2. If you really liked my reading, please like, share, subscribe, and forward to others. Okay, thank you so much. I'll move on to pile 3. Okay, those who have chosen this pile, okay, the stone, let's see what is coming up for you in July. Let's see what is coming up for you in July month. Oh wow, oh my god, I think you have faced some type of ending in recently in your relationship or in your relatives. I don't know why I felt that. Channel message. Someone's death has occurred in your family. I'm so sorry, I have to channel this message. It is coming up for you. Someone's death has occurred in your family recently, or else some type of ending has happened for you. But new beginning is going to start up for you. Very stable life you are going to have. you will get a lot of money. If you are currently working somewhere and you are not feeling stable, like you are out of balance, I'm feeling with this card that you are, you know, out of balance and juggling in money situation. But don't worry, uh, within 1 year your money situation will be improved. Within 1 year your money situation will be improved, and you will see the result in July, starting from July ending to upcoming months. Lot of yellow color also I am feeling, so something positive is going to come up for you. Something has ended in your life, but don't worry, something positive is going to come up for you. Death are always new beginnings. That's what I believe, and that's what I feel, that death are never ending. uh, uh, like it is the beginning of something. Death is never an ending, it is the beginning of something. Whether it is a death of a person, whether it is a death of something else in your life, or ending of something else in your life, it shows that something else is going to start up for you. So yes, new beginning I can see in your life. Currently you are juggling. If you are juggling in money situation, job situation, business, work related, career related situation, then money is going to come up for you. Stability, if you are not stable in your life, whether if you want to ask that, you know, my marriage life is not stable, my married life is not stable, and if I'm single, I want to settle down, I want to go into stable relationship, then everything is going to stabilize for you. Everything, whether you are married, single, unmarried, divorcee, or money situation, career problem, work life problem, everything is going to sort out for you. Stability card has come up for you. uh, 1 year, maximum 1 year, from July ending to upcoming August, September, you'll start seeing the result. And 1 year you'll be in, like round about 1 year you'll be getting, within 1 year or round about 1 year you'll be getting money, success, career, stability, uh, stable partner, life partner, everything. Stable offers, new beginning is going to come. Recently you have faced some type of ending. Message for you is, love is never in vain. When you finally see what this whole time space thing is all about, you are going to laugh, you are going to cry, and you are going to be so happy you loved as much as you did. Dotingly the universe. So I think you have recently cried, and you know, because of some ending, whether a person's death in your family or relatives or something like that, or something has ended in your life, but new beginning is coming up for you, something going to start up for you. I feel that, like I said, death is never an ending, it is always the starting of something new. It is always new beginning, you know. Whether it is about some money situation or relationship situation. And another message for you has come up, happiness is my birthright. So see, like I've said, some of you have cried, don't cry. Something has ended and you have cried, so I am just saying, don't cry. I mean, you have the right to be happy, okay? I know we are human, so it's not possible every time to stay happy and never to cry. But what I'm saying is that, like, you deserve happiness. It is your birthright. If you are born in this world, if you have taken birth in this world, that means God and universe has some plans for you. You are a very special person in front of, like, in universe eyes, in God's eyes, if not in someone else's eyes. So don't cry. Happiness is your birthright. You have right to be happy. Who is making you, whoever thing or person or people is making you cry, just leave it them on karma. You start being happy, okay? And if you are facing problem, you'll say, I am facing problems, this and that, how I'll start being happy and all. Once you'll start being happy, even after your problems, you'll attract those type of positive vibrations. You'll come on that frequency. Even if you are sad about something, you know, once you start being positive and start like being positive, you'll attract positivity. That's how universe and law of attraction works. So if you are facing currently problems, just give a 1 year. Within a 1 year you'll get stability. If you are facing money problem, job loss, business loss, whatever, yada yada yada, yada, whatever, etc etc problem, then you going to, within 1 year you're going to get money and stability. If you are looking for a job, you'll get it. If you want to start a business, you'll get it. If you want to get married, you'll get it. If you have problem in your married life, that will be resolved for sure. For sure, don't get upset. Okay, everything is positive if you think positive, and happiness is your birthright, so don't cry. Okay, let me see the charms for you. I want to take out some beautiful charms for you. I mean, randomly I'll take it out. Let's see. Let's see. What are the charms coming up for you? Few more charms, please. Stay. Oh my god. Oh my god. A few more charms. I don't know why in this pile I'm feeling like take it out more and more charms. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. A lot of charms has come up for you. See? So positive reading for you. Don't be sad, don't cry. Okay. The initials has come of J, B, N. Twice we have received N. Z, E. Okay, these initials can be your name, middle name, surname, or the person you are dealing with, their name, middle name, surname, or company name, place name, or you can make out words as well from this. So J, B, E, N, twice we have received N, and Z. Okay, another U as well. Oh, this is like a pyramid. Wow. So I think you guys are going to progress step by step. See, green color wish fulfillment charm we have received. I am telling you, you going to achieve everything you wish for within a 1 year. Green and blue color might be lucky for you. Your throat chakra is blocked. You are not able to speak and speak your emotions currently. Maybe you are crying or something like that, or otherwise in general as well, that you are not expressing yourself. Something regarding love situation has ended. I don't know. Yeah, see, 10 number also, I think some type of relationship has ended in your life. I feel that, because love charm we have received. Some type of relationship ending has happened in your life. 10 number has also come up on the death charm. So, and love charm also has come up on death card, sorry. So yes, some type of relationship has ended for you, and blue color has come up twice in card and in charm as well, and you are not able to speak and express to that person. So I would suggest you to do meditation, some type of meditation, which I suggest everyone. It can resolve your problem. You should start listening to your intuition as well, because green color has come up. Also your wish is going to fulfill, but for that you need to work on your throat chakra, your heart chakra. For that you can spend time in greenery, you can eat blue color food, or else you can search on YouTube. Lot of musics and meditations are available. You can do Om meditation or other type of meditation, or you can search on Google or YouTube to heal your heart chakra and throat chakra. How to heal your heart chakra and throat chakra. See, your wish is going to be fulfilled, don't worry. Regarding money, I am feeling that money is going to come up for you. Spend time with greenery, I am feeling that. Okay, orange color has come up for you twice. Okay, another initial we have received for you is M and W. Okay, M and W, and V for victory. It can be the relationship which has ended for you. It will turn into victory. My God, because you are on twin flame journey. See, This is the yin yang charm. This is the yin yang charm. Another part of you is missing, you feel that, so you will get victory in that. Whatever relationship or something has ended, I feel that this is completely relationship about, but it can be anything. Whatever has ended for you, the cycle has come to an end, completion. I feel if you have faced any relationship ending or marriage ending, you'll find victory in that, because you are on a twin flame journey. You will get that person back in your life, but for that you need to heal yourself. You need to work on your heart chakra, throat chakra, spend time in greenery, do some meditation, om meditation. You can search it on Google, and you can search it on YouTube. You can listen to those meditation of heart chakra and throat chakra. You can also spend some time sitting on a grass or walking on a grass. I am feeling that be a grounded person, and everything will be resolved, because I feel like you are not somewhat grounded. I feel that I don't know why I'm feeling that I feel that you guys are thinking that you are not good enough. I feel that those who ever choose this stone, the third pile, the third object, the third stone, the third option, I think you feel that you are not good enough for this relationship, or for this person, or for this world, or whatever, for this job or money situation. You deserve it. Okay, you are on earth, you are here for some purpose, you deserve it. Kick out that person who tells you don't deserve it. Just tell them, get the hell out of here. Whoever telling you is like that you don't deserve, whoever telling you that you don't deserve, because see, golden ring we have received, my god. golden golden ring we have received. This means you have got the golden luck opportunity. I mean, golden opportunity, you going to receive the golden opportunity, which very rare people and very few people receive it in their lifetime. Golden opportunity, this is like a golden opportunity, luck of blessings from universe. And you, whomever you are attached to, you will get that. You will get the golden opportunity. I am feeling that you will get the golden opportunity. My god, lot of golden color. Please wear a golden color for at least July month. Try to wear something like something in your ring or bracelet, golden color. I am feeling that, because a lot of golden color, green color, yellow color. I think you will get married as well within 1 year, for sure. You will get married as well. I am feeling that money is going to come up for you. See, I know it is slow. Maybe for some of you, you'll say, oh, we'll have to wait for few months, 1 year. I know, but it is going to be stable permanently, whether it is money, relationship, husband, wife, love, career, job, business, whatever. It is going to be permanently in your life. That is why it is taking slow to progress, but money is going to come up for you. If you are looking for love, partner is going to come up for you. If you want to get married, get engaged, it will happen. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. Wear golden color, golden color charm, or golden color bracelet, or something. Add something in your ring, or golden color, something like that. You are and also work on your throat chakra. Start to express yourself. Eat blue color food. Do some meditation, or om meditation, or another meditation, healing meditation, use to heal your heart chakra. Spend time in greenery, walk barefoot on grass, and sit on the ground. Just ground yourself, be grounded. Don't be so much in your ego. I'm not saying you are an egoistic person, but just step by step your life will progress. 1 2 3 4, like step by step your life will be progress. It is slow, maybe 1 year is too long for you, but it will happen. Maybe before that, if you work if you work on your self love and self healing, that it can progress fast. Because we for victory charm, we have received. You are very wise soul as well, wise people, wise soul as well, but you have not grown up in your complete full potential, or complete full what to say, identity. So that's why you are feeling you are not good enough. But don't worry, I feel that you are good enough, you deserve best, and you'll get it. The love of your life, the money situation, career situation, you'll find victory as well. But some you have to do meditation, okay, and to heal your heart chakra, throat chakra, and wear a golden color ring or something, golden color chain or something like that. Okay, it will be very very beneficial for you, because golden opportunity we have received. The person you are attached to, you'll get the golden opportunity, golden chance with them again. And be just grounded, don't be so much in your ego, just ground yourself, walk barefoot in grass, and just sit on the ground directly. I know maybe I am repeating myself, but I'm so excited to read your reading, very positive reading. I think this is the most positive pile from all three of you. I mean, every pile was positive. Second pile was also very positive, but this is the pile which has lot of potential and a lot of positivity coming up for them. Marriage also coming up for them. A lot of yellow golden color aura I am feeling. Yellow color golden color I am feeling. So just maybe golden color is lucky for you, like you going to get golden chance also, which very rare and few people get it. So golden chance, you going to golden opportunity with the person, or whomever opportunity, like whomever opportunity you want with, like with whoever you want, or that opportunity you are attached to someone, with that person you are going to get that opportunity. So do some meditation. Okay, thank you so much, pile 3. These are the general readings. Please remember, everything will not resonate with you. If you really like, share, if you really liked my video, can you just please like, share, subscribe and forward to others. Thank you so much, everyone. This will be a general reading, it won't resonate with each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, have a good day, good month.